In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Brevo with Shopify, enhancing your store's communication capabilities through email, push notifications, and SMS. Whether you're new to this setup or simply need a refresher, I'll guide you step by step to ensure a smooth integration process. First things first, you'll need to install the PushOwl Brevo app. This application is central to facilitating seamless interactions with your customers. To begin, navigate to the PushOwl/Brevo email, push, SMS page available on the Shopify App Store. It's the starting point of our journey and where we'll kick off the integration process. Once you're on that page, you'll see an option to install the app. This is a straightforward step. Simply click on the Install button. This action will add the app directly to your Shopify store, setting the necessary groundwork for integration. After clicking Install, you'll then be prompted with the Install App page. Here, you'll need to review a set of permissions that the app requires to function effectively. Be sure to read through these permissions carefully to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you're comfortable, click Install again to accept the needed permissions. It's important to allow these permissions as they enable the app to work seamlessly within your store environment. Upon granting the necessary permissions and successfully installing the app, you'll land on the app's home page. At this stage, the app is installed, but there's an essential final step to activate it within your store's theme. On the home page, you'll find an option labeled Enable Now. Clicking this will activate PushOwl in your store, integrating the powerful Brevo tracker into your setup. Once activated, Brevo will be fully functional, allowing you to send targeted messages, automate notifications, and more, all designed to enhance customer interaction and boost engagement with your store. The addition of email, push, and SMS capabilities will broaden your communication strategy, helping you reach your customers in more effective ways. Keep in mind that routine checks and updates can ensure your app continues to function optimally. Exploring the settings within the app can also help you customize and optimize communications to suit your business needs. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully integrated Brevo with Shopify. By completing these steps, you've expanded your store's communication potential, setting the stage for improved customer interaction and retention. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and helpful guides to enhance your Shopify store. Happy integrating!